If you're searching for the most compact, easy to tow camper, and you've been looking at Rpod, it's time to check out the Rpod 192. This is the first time we're debuting the 192 with the new Cosmic Graphite exterior, the Cosmic Graphite interior. Notice we've got the big window on the front that opens right up for cross ventilation. That's an exclusive feature. But I want to show you a couple of really cool new things that you're only going to find on the 192 Rpod. Notice on all of our units, all the Rpod units except for the 171 now offer a conventional style awning. So it's a one push button touch awning where the awning draws out. You'll also see we've got this beautiful heavy duty black glass entrance door. This really dresses up the outside of the coach, previously only found on our Hood River Edition Rpods, and we've added that for 2023 this year. Speaking of additions for 2023, check out what we've done. We've finally landed on the moon. The frog, he's on the moon this year to wrap up our Cosmic Graphite theme. We've got our champagne appointments on the outside. Check out the champagne colored bronze wheels here, wrapped in only the best Goodyear tires. Now, one thing that you're used to seeing on all of your Rpod products is a torsion axle suspension. Most trailers operate with a leaf spring suspension. It's been in existence for literally over 100 years. The torsion axle suspension system allows you to have a completely independent ride from side to side. If one side hits a bump, the other side is smoothly connected to the road. What we want to deliver at Rpod is the smoothest tow experience possible. So not only do we give you the torsion axle as standard equipment, the unit itself weighs less than 4,000 pounds. So if you're kind of maxed out with the target weight capacity of your tow vehicle, check out the Rpod 192 before you make a decision, because I think you're going to really like and be surprised by how much space is in there. Now, like some of our other Rpods, you'll notice that this one does feature the included bush kitchen, which gives you a outside cooktop prep station, as well as the exterior griddle. This thing is super easy to clean. It plugs in, get this thing plugs into the integrated LP system that's on the coach already. You don't have to bring around these big extra tanks or carry anything extra with you. All you have to do is plug this in, and let's be honest, we do most of our cooking outside while we're camping, right? You want to spend as much time outside as possible. There's no tracking inside and outside. You've got your cooking surface right here outside. And then the other thing, I want you to check this out. We are not the only ones to have an exterior freshwater hookup, but I would venture to guess we're the only ones that let you get 30 feet away from the camper and still be able to use your fresh water connection. So whether you're hosing off your bikes from the day or hosing off your pets or maybe your kids or grandkids, you've got a fresh water connection, you've got your outside cooktop, and I haven't even showed you anything inside yet. So follow me around inside and I'll show you a couple things that are really special for 2023. So we're sitting inside the Rpod 192. This has always been a great compact solution for people who are looking to sacrifice no features that they want to leave home without. You've got a full-size air conditioner, full-size furnace, and I'm going to show you a full-size kitchen. But the first thing I want to talk about is this dinette. Now this dinette is built, it's 32 inches wide. It does convert into a bed, so it's a little bit wider than a standard size dinette. This is perfect place for a little game night, a camp style supper, anything that you're gonna need. A very versatile dinette table here. And what's really cool is when you open up this window, you can get the cross ventilation through the whole coach, but you can actually even pass things back and forth through the window. So if you're cooking outside at the bush kitchen, you want to pass it inside, we can open this up. You can pass it right through the window. And that's just a really cool camper-friendly little touch that you're only going to find in the Rpod 192. One of the main focuses on the Rpod 192 is the entertainment system. You can see the 12-volt television behind me, which operates on battery power, is focused on the living area of the coach, and as well as the other side of the dinette where you can view the TV as well. But also check out behind me, for a unit this size, under 4,000 pounds, to have a full-size bathroom. This has a full dry bath. So the customers that love the 192 so much love the idea that they don't have to sacrifice a full-size bathroom or a full-size kitchen. And let's check out that galley. Look at what we have going on here. Not only do we have a recessed 2-burner cooktop, that deep bowl sink that you're used to seeing in your iconic Rpod, but a convection microwave and all of these new color appointments. You've got your champagne faucet hardware, matches your champagne door pulls, your butcher block style countertops with that nice live edge. And then check out up front here in our new 2023 Rpod. We have added the adventure map. People are really loving this adventure map. It comes with 10 little Rpods to track your adventures around North America. We have not sacrificed any storage. You still have a ton of storage capability on both sides of the bed itself. And when this thing is in the down position, still gives you a full-size queen bed. So one of the most comfortable and compact units, the Rpod 192. For more information about this unit, check out forestriverinc.com/Rpod or visit our social channels to see all the updates.